Hi there, Dory Sukup here. I am inviting you to take an advantage of a great gift that we are offering you. Behind me, I have our website, inspirationmanagement.com. And here you'll be able to get a copy of my book totally free. All you have to do is scroll down a little bit and you'll see this on the home page. Again, it's inspirationmanagement.com, where you have the opportunity to download 3 magnificent gifts. One is my book. The second one is the Capacity Calculator, which is a phenomenal financial tool that will allow you to find out your true potential and how much more money you could be generating within your medical spa. The third gift is actually a complimentary success planning session. I have to tell you, this is probably one of the most important things that you can do for yourself in your business, because here are the facts. Most entrepreneurs go into business to have less stress, work less, and make more money. Well, in reality, exactly the opposite takes place. You end up working harder, longer, you're all overwhelmed and stressed out, and a lot of times you've just bought yourself a job. Not a good thing. You don't even pay yourself. So I'm here to tell you that there is a better way. And to start it all you have to do is complete the success planning form. There's a little survey that you will take that will let us know a little bit more about what you have going on in your business right now. It also asks you about the 3 top challenges that you have. Once you fill it out, you click submit. We will get a notice that you actually completed the success planning form, and then you'll be able to receive an email from us. And in that email, you're gonna have a place where you can reserve your time with one of our experts. They'll be able to get on a Zoom webinar with you, go over your challenges, and then actually make some recommendations on how you can reach success the fastest way possible. Because again, if you're gonna get up in the morning and go to work every day, I don't want you to be reinventing the wheel. I want you to be able to take the tools that we have, implement them, and reach the highest level of success possible. So this is your invitation. These are all complimentary things that we have. In addition to your actual book, the success planning session, and the capacity chart, you can also receive access to all the free business webinars that we have. So you see, we're here to help you. We're here to make sure that you are successful. So go ahead, make your way to inspirationmanagement.com, download all the tools so you can reach success fastest way. Until next time, stay inspired.